Nakaka-overwhelm talaga magplan ng wedding, kaya today, samahan nyo kami to experience and explore a bridal fair. This is our second time attending a bridal fair, kaya medyo meron na rin kaming idea on what to expect and what to do. First stop is registration. Free naman ang entrance at nagsulat lang kami ng mga details na kailangan nila. You don't need to be engaged to join a bridal fair. Magandang umattend ng bridal fairs para malaman mo kung ano yung mga gusto mong mangyari sa wedding mo. I think we are set. Let's go! Actually, nakapag-inquire na ako sa ibang suppliers na nandito sa fair. Ang gagawin natin today is to compare the prices and spot good deals. From makeup, styling, cakes, souvenirs, and even cocktails, nandito na lahat. I was so happy to see yung mga styling suppliers na nakakausap ko at nakikita ko lang online. Seeing their booth setup in person gives you an idea kung ano yung quality ng work na ginagawa nila. Pwede ka rin makakuha ng mga ideas galing sa mga booth na to kung wala ka pa rin final mood board para sa venue styling mo. Ang nagustuhan ko sa bridal fair na to, I was able to meet new suppliers na hindi ko na-discover or nakita online. Gusto ko lang talagang ma-explore lahat muna ng options bago ako mag-decide. One tip I can give you is to attend a bridal fair sa mismong town or city ng venue nyo. This is important para hindi na kayo magbayad ng OOTF or out-of-town fee. Isa pang nagustuhan ko ay itong booth na nag-o-offer ng ready-to-wear entourage dresses. For me, less hassle siya and less error compared to pag magpapatahi ka pa. I also took this time to check out yung mga photo and video suppliers na well-known dito sa Baguio. Sobrang natuwa din ako sa may-ari ng My Little Kitchen for showing us their wedding packages for their coffee bar. Na-curious tuloy ako sa lasa ng coffee nila, so I had to buy 100 for a cup, but he told me na kapag hindi daw masarap, it's free. Pasado naman ang kape at ang prices ng coffee bar nila. So if you're looking for a coffee bar, check them out. It has been a long day. Thank you for joining us. And lastly, i-keep lahat ng flyers na nakuha for future reference. Bye!